Hi guys, Daniel and John here, and welcome back to another one of our product review and experience videos. And in this video we're looking at plastic bumper filler made by ISOPON. It's ultra flexible, it repairs scratches and scuffs in most type of plastic. It's a two-part system where you have the resin and hardener, and you mix them with a P of hardener, you mix it together.
Simple
It just shows it on the
instructions.
back. Simple to use, and you apply it, let it set and sand it down, then paint it.
There's a reorder code, PFB 250.
PBF 250.
Yeah. Ultra flexible.
And they make a wide range of products, ISOPON.
So I always like to say why we're using this. So if you watch our other videos, you'll see a few videos about this bumper we've had to repair, somebody damaged. When we've joined it back up, I've had to sand down quite a bit. So we need to put sort of profile here. We need to put profile back
You
here
need to restore this profile here.
because it had sort of squarey edges basically, and so we need to make it nice, smooth and round. And it is quite easy to sand. I've got some wet and dry. I've got 240 and I've got some 80 just to get the bulk of it down, to be honest.
So you can sand this with a low grit paper to start with, depending how much you put on. And then you go up to a higher grit,
So
wet and dry.
So I'll do 240 next, probably 400, 600, 800, get a real smooth finish, and then get the primer back on there. And that'll sort it. But it is ultra smooth. I mean, you feel that.
Yeah.
And that's on a 240, so it does work. So I think that name is synonymous with
Body repairs.
and good quality.
Good quality products as well.
Yeah, I mean,
So we'll just show you what's inside the tin. So with this one,
it's a funny, it's
like
more like a jelly,
like a
putty.
and it's like a brownie, dark brownie colour.
You don't need a lot.
You just got your standard U-pole hardener,
Yeah,
which you don't need a lot of.
a little peak,
Right.
but it is good stuff. I've used it before. Funny, it's anything that starts off dark, when you sand it always ends up grey. Even if they say it's black, you sand it and it ends up grey. So that's just be wary of. And all I did was applied it with one of those.
Yeah.
You can get those cheapest chips off Amazon if you need a few, just a spreader or whatever you've got to hand really. But if you need to repair your bumper, I guess any plastic that's flexible.
Plastic bumper filler, yeah.
So you could use it for other things, but
This is the stuff you want to use on anything that's going to have a little bit of flex on it and
because
things.
bumpers do flex, people do
Yeah.
bash into them, so hence that's why we're repairing this one, unfortunately. Anyway, if that helps you to repair your bumper,
Or if you just wondered what this stuff was like once it's been used and how to mix it. Hopefully our video is helpful to you.
yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.